Need of brake repair or replacement in Hickory Hills, Illinois, you have come to the right place. At Performance Auto Repair, we understand how crucial your braking system is for your safety and vehicle performance. Our skilled technicians perform thorough inspections, ensuring you receive the necessary repairs or replacements to get your brakes functioning flawlessly. Whether it's new brake pads, rotor resurfacing, or a complete brake system overhaul, our team is dedicated to providing top-notch service. Call us today for a detailed repair estimate and experience the peace of mind that comes with reliable brakes.
If you're in need